Lima pala sila. Ako na. Sige, para limanin kayo.
Oh, 10 sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bakit tumawa ka?
Our first game for our interim season 3 Abu Dhabi against Al-A.
Sipag pinasimbaw.
First position of Al-A, Nava to Simbao. Bring it on, back to Nava. First basket, push at 10, in and out. Ribagay by Al-A, 14 to set, 14. Fernandez, 10 to shoot. Nava to Simbako. Rebound on Wayne. Now the atomic bomb Wayne of ball game, Isidro. Pass to the Wonder Boy, first attempt, Wonder Boy! What a shot coming from the Wonder Boy. Biganon, pass to Nava. Same spot, Biganon. Big, pass to Simbako. Pow! Palo number 24 on Passion. First on Passion. First team foul, Abu Dhabi. Now Fernandez. Again, 10 to shoot. Fernandez drive. Fernandez, show you move. Too strong. Rebound on Nepi. Isidro. Wayne. In and out. Rebound on Fernandez. To Nava. Back to Regenon. Simbako. Makasiba. First basket. In and out. Simbako rebound. Rebound again. 14 to shoot. 14. Nava. Again. In and out. Fernandez. Fernandez. Well move. Coming from number 2. Now 2-3. Nebi. Short. Oh, back-to-back shot by Fernandez. Now 4-3, 2-point lead on Al-A. Our defending champion Abu Dhabi against Al-A. Wayne. Wayne. Bang, 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 bang on the atomic bomb. Wayne. 6-4.
Wayne, Fernandez,
Isidero, galing by Regenon. Too strong. Iba na Nepi. Time to shoot. Win again. 14 set agad Nepi. Intercepted on Alain to Nava. 1-1. Nava follow jumper. Yes! Oh, Nava. Now 6-all. Our first leg of the game of Season 3 of Inter-Emirates by Basketballista. Nepi. Bang! 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 Oh, Nepi! 9-6. Back to 3-point lead ng Abu Dhabi. Nava. Fernandez. Too strong. Rebound ng Passion. Passion coast to coast. Passion. Time out. On Alain. Our score 11-6. Too strong. Nava. Oh! In and out. Rebound on Nepi. To Isidro. Steal by Fernandez. 5 minutes. Fernandez now. Back to Fernandez. Looking for steal again by Wayne. Now, Wonder Boy to Nepi, Oxia, too strong, Nepi again, Nepi. Jump ball, Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. Four minutes and 50 seconds, 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Passion. Short. Rebound si Bako. It's 3 on 2. Nice fake. Too strong again.
Nava.
Foul. Low. Basket count and 1 on Nava. Foul on number 26 on Nepi. First on Nepi. Second team foul against Abu Dhabi. 10-14 now. 10-14. Now 11-14, 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi. 4 minutes and 10 seconds on the first quarter.
May net.
Weng. Too strong. Rebound by Nepi. Nepi. Too strong again. Rebound on Simbako. To Nava. Bang! 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 On Nava! 14 all. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. He's a defending champion against Al-A. Weng. Wonder Boy, too strong. Now 3 on 2, 3 on 3. Coast to coast. Short. Big. Same ball, same ball. What a great move by Makasibang. 14 to shoot. Time out, time out. Oh.
Simple lang pag ginagawa mo.
14 all. It's defending champion Abu Dhabi against Al-Ain. Our first game on our third season of Enter Emirates by Abu Dhabi. I basketballista. Fernandez. Makasibang. In and out. Rebound on Chetaweng. Now is Sidiro. Nepi.
Thunder.
Weng. Drive. Coast to coast. 14 to shoot. 14. Passion. Bang! Basket count. And 1 on Passion.
Walang yan.
Foul on number 2. On Fernandez. Al Muhammad. Now 17 to 14, 3-point lead on against Abu Dhabi, 2 minutes and 40 seconds of first quarter. Fernandez. Too strong. Simbako. Whoa! Simbako! Now 16 to 17. 1-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Nepi. Too strong. Rebound again by Nava. To Simbako. Wow! What a great move again by Simbako. Now 18 to 17. Back to 1-point lead on Alain Chantalweng. Passion. Passion. Pick. Passion. Coast to coast. Yes on Passion. 19 to 18. Muhammad. Back to Nava. Nava. To Simbako. Fernandez. Muhammad, Pate. Muhammad, pass to Nava. 10 to shoot. Chantalweng. Foul. Foul on number 23. On Makasibang. Third. Second team foul on A. First on Makasibang. 1 minute and 26 seconds. On our first quarter. Abu Dhabi against Al-Ain. Weng. Isidro. Steal by Muhammad. Makasibang. Nice move. Coast to coast by Makasibang. Now 20 to 19. 1-point lead now by Alain. 1 minute. Now is Sidiro. Guarded by Mohamed. Nepi, 10 to shoot, 10. Wing. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on the atomic bomb. Wing. 22 to 20. 40 seconds. Nava. Fernandez. Drive, move. Fernandez will move by Isidero now. Isidero. Pow. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 12 on Mohamed.
Hinawakan ko ba?
Hindi ko nawak.
First personal foul on Mohamed. 13 foul away. Seventeen seconds, 17.
Nasya tayo ha?
23 to 20, 17 seconds. This is our first match, first game on Enterprise Season 3. It's Basketballista. Steal by Nava. Nava, drive, back, favorite shot. In and out. Iba by Isidero. Steal by Zimbaco. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Ay,
And
Cholo.
Alain ball, Alain.
Ang lapit ng alis ko si Cholo. Nagdudin si Cholo.
Defense on Abu Dhabi.
Angkol! Nakita mo yung gagol? Gawin nila, pre. Hindi, sige ikaw. Bagal siya ang pati niya. Ano yan?
Lapit.
Kalang. Now Kita in the ball game. Kita. 10 to shoot, 10. Kita.
Ayun.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Kita. Warning on Abu Dhabi for delay the game.
Nice, kita!
Now 23 all, 9 minutes and 30 seconds.
Hinapon mo? Malagay. Baka lumusot.
Isidero. Too strong. Now Kita. Out. Rolling violation on number 27. Turnover on the lane. Nine minutes, 23 all. Matalastas, Pasyon. Yes, on Pasyon. It's 5 on 5 on the field goal by Pasyon. It's 8 minutes. Kita again. Kita. La Pera. Too strong. Inbound on Pasyon. To Santa Lueng. Wayne. Now Cholo. Cholo in the ball game. Cholo. 14 to shoot. Wayne. Short. Pasyon again. Yes on Pasyon. 27-23. Now 4-point lead. Against Abu Dhabi. Kita. Kita move. Still again by Pasyon. Pasyon. Two to go. Pasyon drive. Stop. Pull out jumper. Too strong. La Pera.
Bilis, bilis.
To Kita.
Bali na, pre. Tira.
Kita to Kita. Short. Manalastas. To Pasyon. Santa Lueng. Yes on Santa Lueng. Now 29-23. 6-point lead now Abu Dhabi. Strong. Isidero. Santa Lueng. Too strong again. Cholo, fake. Cholo drive. Cholo.
Okay, baba.
Lapio.
Lapera to Galang. Stop, Galang.
Oh.
Analastas.
Isidro.
To Isidero. Cholo. Passion. Bang, 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 bang on Passion 32 to 23. Kita. Galang. Back to Lapera. Back to Kita. Same spot. Too strong. Tap by wing. To Isidero. Passion again, fake. Passion, yes on Passion. Now 34 to 23. 11-point lead now Abu Dhabi.
Sabi na ako. Sino ngayon na?
Again in and out. Steve.
Medyo mo lang pre.
Kita. Kita drive. Kita shot.
Oh no.
Turnover again by Alain. 6 minutes.
Depensa lang. Kita. Hello.
Cholo.
Time out kami ha.
Inyo cholo, ba't mo diniretso?
Ba, bilis. Kita.
Lapio. Ano ba yan?
Time out.
Yes, on Lapera. 25 against 34.
Time out kami boss, time out.
Panalastas, time out. On Abu Dhabi, our score 36 against 25. Five minutes and 31 seconds, 36
Silbi na ang galang.
against the 25. Favor of our defending champion Abu Dhabi. Now Kita. Galang. Still again by Isidero. Yes, on Isidero. Now 38
Ay, wow.
to 25. Kita.
Oh no.
Baba na, depensa. Baba na kayo.
Isidero. Kick ball, turnover on Abu Dhabi. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. On our first quarter, Abu Dhabi against Al Ain. Kita. Foul.
19.
Foul on Manalastas. First on Manalastas. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. Passion. Cholo. Isidero. 14 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Galang.
Bilis, baba. Okay.
Galang to Lapera. Yes! On Lapera. 27 to 38. Still again. Cholo. Pato sa Talwen. Pasyon. Nice defense on Lapera. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. 38 to 27 in favor of the defending champion Abu Dhabi.
Konti lang yan.
Lapera, same spot, same move. Pasok kita. Kita to kita.
Oh, rebound.
Lapera. 14 to shoot, 14.
Sige lang.
Cholo. Whoa! Jolo! 40-27.
Baba na kayo.
Nice pass to Isidero to Jolo. 42. 2:27. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. La Pera, foul. Foul on number 7 on Isidero. Second team foul, Abu Dhabi. First on Isidero. Now Kita. To Kita. La Pera, big. Nice pass outside to La Pera. 10 to shoot, 10. Galang. Pagtupila, 3-second violation na La Pera. Nice defense on the defending champion Abu Dhabi. Two minutes and 20.
Cholo.
Isidero, to Cholo. Isidero again. Carried by Kita. Steve, 10 to shoot, 10. La Pera, all alone to Kita. Oh! Pasyon. Ball on Kita. Coast to coast, Kita. Same spot, again short. Kita. Galang, 14 to shoot, 14. La Pera. Again in and out. Iba by Isidero.
Ayaw talaga.
Weng. Nice basket by Weng. 44-27. 1 minute and 27 seconds.
Kita.
Unang game pa.
Kita.
Kunin mo! Bakit?
Time out on Abu Dhabi Basketballista. Inbound pasyon to Isidero. Chantal Weng. Lusong, rebound on Kita. Kita to La Pera. It's 3-on-2. La Pera, La Pera! Short. 45 seconds.
Weng.
Wow, Chantal Weng, 46 against the 27, 35 seconds. Nice pass, La Pera, fake. Pass to Kita. Turnover again on Abu Dhabi, Ali. 25 seconds.
Hindi naman nila siniseryoso. Ha?
First game pa naman eh. Mamaya. Show time.
15. Wow, the atomic bomb, Weng, 49, 2:27. 2 seconds.
Kaya mo zero, kaya mo zero. Putik na yan.
Plus 10 talaga. Plus 10 ba?
Plus 5 lang? Plus 5. Wala naman kayong ako.
Third quarter.
Oh, 10 points lang yan.
Now, Wonder Boy. Good, Nepi.
Nice! Bato!
40 to shoot. Cholo.
Yari, Cholo.
Top by Fernandez. Now, Nava.
Ano ba?
Kita. Kaldoy Wonder Boy. Kita. Fernandez.
Nice!
Air ball. Top by Sipago. 10 to shoot. 10. Back to Fernandez. Try. Foul.
Kamusta na to?
Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy.
Ilang months?
Mainit na ka, mainit ulo ko.
6 months.
Pag mainit.
Di ba session?
Fernando.
Ilan ba yung code mo? Therapy na.
Kaya mainit.
Kanila. Inopera.
33 to 49. 16 points lead now by our defending champion, Abu Dhabi.
Bigay, bigay! Pasa! Ayun na. Bakit yun? Ate. Tumama! Nice D! Kanila? Tumama yun, tuos.
40 to shoot, 14.
May tao sa gitna.
Fixing lang.
Ay.
10.
Sander.
Simbago. To kita.
Ay.
Whoa! Fernandez. 35 to 49 now. 14-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now Cholo.
Gamit pick!
40 to shoot. Simbago. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Cholo. First on Cholo. Second team foul. Abu Dhabi 49 to 35. This is our first match, first game. Al-Ain against the defending champion Abu Dhabi. Fake. Back to Kita. Fernandez. Nava. Favorite shot. Bang! Oh, Nava! 49 to 38. 11-point lead now. Wow, too strong. Back-to-back turnover on the defending champion Abu Dhabi. 49 to 38. It is a 0 out of 8 against Al-Ain. Now Kita. Bang! 41 to 49. 8-point lead now by Abu Dhabi. Nabi.
Tas kamay lang, Ski!
Nabi foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. First on Simbaco. First team foul, Ali.
Nice.
Working to shoot.
Saan naman tayo dito? Ikaw ang taga dito.
10.
9.
5.
Rebound!
Nava.
Sige, diskarte!
Trap.
Joy!
Foul. Foul on number 8 on Simbaco. Second on Simbaco, second team foul on Alay.
Ski!
Central wing.
Bigay pick!
Manalastas. Oh.
Yes! Ako! Simang!
Fernandez.
Bang bang.
Yes, time out on Abu Dhabi.
Buti pa sa Alba, may pang-merienda pa doon, may pang...
Wala!
Ang layo lang kasi doon. Lima lang nagkilig doon, 5.
No?
Bang! On Nava! 49 to 46. 3-point lead now. Oh, the defending champion Abu Dhabi.
Grabe, ang galing.
Central wing.
Tatlo na lang kanina.
To Wonderboy. Big Wonderboy.
Traveling.
Foul.
Akala ko traveling.
Substitution. Foul on Nava. First on Nava. Third team foul. Alay.
Yung malaki sa'yo, Joey. Sige lang, practice na, ha? Labas ka yan.
Nalastas. 10 to shoot.
Tulong!
5.
Dali! Boss! Bigay! Bigay!
Kita.
Sure ball.
Whoa! Kita, 48 to 49. 1 point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Isidero.
Sure.
Too strong. Rebound ng Pasyon. 40 to shoot. 14. Short again. Rebound again on lane. Kita. Same spot. Too strong. Ow, Pasyon.
Sige! Tapos!
Pasyon.
Wala talaga.
Manalastas. Nepi. Yes on Nepi.
Yan yung...
May tataas ito.
Close out! Close out!
3 minutes and 20.
Close out! Close out!
Nava. Guarded by Justine. Fernandez. 10 to shoot. 10. Bang! 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 Now score 51 all. Fourth leg of the game. 3 minutes. Justine. Guarded by Nava. Looking for Manalastas. Manalastas. Nice defense. Nepi. Too strong again. Manalastas. Manalastas. Intercepted by Nava. Nava now. It's 2-1. Nava fight. Nava stop. Same spot. Paper shot. Too strong. Rebound on the big foul.
Nice ball! Nice ball! Nice ball!
Sorry. Nakasibang.
Foul makasibang sa substitution left. Warning for penalty on an A.
Time out muna kami, boss.
7 second first. Warner.
It's been 5 against. Now it's 0. Guarded by Kita.
Isidro.
Isidro again. To Pasyon. Foul.
Simbako.
Foul on Rayton Simbako.
Simbako third first round.
Third personal foul on Simbako. Penalty ref penalty. Substitution ref substitution. Simbako out. Kita in.
Magaling din to. Maalam sa
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Jumong kasi.
plus.
51-52. Now 53 to 51. 2-point lead now on Abu Dhabi. Kita. Nice move. Drive. Coast to coast. Strong move. Nice move. Back to Nava. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Nava. Now 1 point lead on the lane. 2 minutes. Whoa! Justine! 56 to 54. Back to 2-point lead. On the lane. Nava. Coast to coast to Nava. Yes, on Nava. 56 all. 56 all.
Oh, hasil ulit! Hasil ulit! Sige! Taas! Taas! Tumitira sa taas! Oh.
Chantal Weng. Guarded by Fernandez. Wonder Boy.
Bigay big! Bigay big! Bigay big!
Wonder Boy, 14 to shoot, 14. Justine, steal for the lane. Nakasibang now. Back-to-back turnover also. Coming from Al-Ain, our score 56 all, 1 minute. And 50 seconds of our third quarter. Chantal Weng. Too strong. Iba na makasibang. To Nava.
Oh, Nava.
Steal by the Wonder Boy. Oh! Turnover on Abu Dhabi. 40 seconds.
Kunin mo yung bola! Ikaw kumuha ng bola!
Now Kita. Also to Kita. Nava. 40 to shoot. Kita. Wow! Kita, 58 to 56. 2-point lead now by Alain. 15 seconds.
Sige, sige, hasil lang, hasil lang.
Manali.
Nice! Tatlo!
Yes, ang nakasibang. 60 to 56. And
Ilabas mo na agad. Tao-tao ha, tao-tao. Dali mo na agad yung maluwag. Boss.
Alain ball, Alain.
Sana si Joey sa tao-tao eh. Ano eh, tumutuklaw eh. Dito, nirakramo eh. Dito, awi, magalit. Oh, lang.
Nice, nice one.
Too strong. Action.
Okay, next day.
Now, Fernandez. Fernandez. Cholo. Luis Sidero.
Lapit mo, sige, tira.
Oh, short. Action again. Short again.
Ano pati? Foul.
Foul on number 24 on La Pena. First on Alain. First personal foul on La Pena.
44.
10 to shoot.
Malalim ha.
5. Airball. Back-to-back turnover. By Abu Dhabi.
Lamang tayo.
Now Kita. Fernandez. Fernandez to Kita. Offensive foul on number 27 on Kita. Second team foul LA. First on number 27 Kita. Passion. Steve Nava. Nava to Kita. Back to Nava. Nava fake. Nava drive. Nava. Foul.
5 minutes na lang din yan. Dala tayo.
Foul on Cholo. Substitution ref.
Solo second person.
Substitution ref. Substitution. First team foul Abu Dhabi. First on Cholo.
44.
8 minutes. 8 minutes. Nice shot by Nava. 61 to 56.
Hindi naman ikaw yun eh. Natira naman yun eh. Hindi naman ikaw muna.
14 to shoot.
Pangalan ng baby ko.
Yes, on Passion. 58 to 61.
Lapit.
Nice one.
Patay.
Mga sibang. 14 to shoot. Kita.
Ow! Too strong.
Turnover on the lane. 7 minutes. It's a roller coaster ride against Al Ain between Abu Dhabi. Our first game, first match on our season 3. Inter Emirates. Ay basketballista Fernandez Nava. Foul. Foul on Lastas. Second team foul Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on Manalastas. Bang on Fernandez. 64 to 58. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Kita. Third team foul against Alain. First personal foul on number 5 on Kita. On Nepi. Yes, on Nepi! 61 to 64, 6 minutes. This is our last quarter, fourth quarter. Still by Nepi. 14 to shoot, 14. 14 to shoot.
Tenyo, naba.
Kita. Hernandez. Makasipang. Rebound on Nepi. Analastas. Luis Sidero.
Ron.
Foul.
Apat na.
Foul on number 8 on Simbako. Warning on Alain. Warning also for Simbako. Fourth foul. Sabi
Maya.
basket sub, Red. Basket sub. Wala pa tayo.
Wala.
I minutes and 20. Short. Makasibang.
Baba na.
To Nava.
Ay, kita.
Substitution, sub. Simbang out. $64 against the 61. Santalweng, Black, Bahay Nava. Alain ball, Alain, nice defense on Nava.
Diyan. Screen na to.
Kita, Makasibang, Nava. Bang on Nava. 67.
Lalim.
Santalweng. Kita.
Oh, sige.
Aksyon.
Wala.
Left. Huwag magpadali lamang tayo.
Sa period of
Kita tayo. Kita.
boleh ya itu. Coba kamera.
Labas, piyak!
14 to shoot.
Sila.
Sub.
Sige, okay lang yun.
Tapat lang.
Tao.
Foul of Fernandez. Penalty. Only 4-point lead on Alain. Our second game will be interstate category. Navigate versus Caladia. 64 to 67, 3-point lead now. On Alain Fernandez. Pasyon. Oh, Pasyon. Yes, on Kita, 69 to 66. Chantalweng. Bang on Chantalweng. 69 all. 2 minutes and 40. Pasyon. Too strong. Nepi. Still on the pera.
Bola natin, bola natin, bola natin. Foul, 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 foul. Foul, foul. Desisyon na ng referee, ano? Foul, foul, foul. Pwede na magawin na.
Rep. Decision rep.
Foul, foul, foul.
Oh. Alain ball. Alain.
Layo, layo!
La pera. Kukita. Nava. Rebound on the water boy. Foul.
Penalty.
Foul on Makasibang. Penalty.
Makasibang third personal foul.
Third personal foul against Makasibang.
Saksak mo! Pagkatao! Pinalti o! Lamang tayo. Lamang tayo.
Kaya kasabi ko, yes, mama mo.
2 minutes and 18 seconds. 2 minutes and 18.
Stop mic, stop mic.
Guys, guys!
La pera.
Huwag ibigay na!
Basa!
Last 2 minutes.
Oo, time out ako. Wag! Nice one! Nice, nice! Okay!
Yes, on kita. 1 minute and 40. Foul.
Boss, wala naman bola ka naman. Binampi. Wala, hindi naman yan nasundok. Walang bola.
Foul on kita. Penalty. Sub.
The second personal foul. Kita.
Second personal foul on number 5 against kita. Substitution.
Secure rebound tayo pa. Tingnan mo ako.
Two quick draw shot on Isidro.
Okay, rebound.
71 to 69. 1 minute and 36 seconds on our last quarter. Our first game, our first match, Abu Dhabi. Our defending champion against LA. Short. Kita. To Nava. Kita. Back to Nava.
Kabila!
14 to shoot. 14. Simbako.
Sige lang!
Foul.
Graduate na.
Foul on number 8 on Simbako. 5 fouls. Time out for Opalay.
Usap tayo.
This is real.
Baksaw!
71 to 70. 1 point lead Alain. 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Kahit tayo ulit patumaha.
71 all.
Oh, screen!
Kita.
Okay, dahil ka mo yan. Paulo!
Walang foul!
Nice!
40 to shoot. 14.
This one!
Yan!
50 seconds. 50.
Walang foul!
Foul. Foul on Nepi. First on Nepi.
No second.
Second on Nepi. Third team foul against Abu Dhabi.
Di ba may time out pa kami, di ba? Oh, may time out pa tayo. Oh, may time out pa kami. Tapat pa rin. Tapat ka mo. Nice!
41 seconds.
All 72.
Nice, nice. Oh.
73-71, 2-point lead. Oh, the lane. Navy.
Ay, wow.
30 seconds, 30. Fernandez. 20 seconds, 40 to shoot.
Nice, nice, nice. Penalty, penalty, penalty.
Foul on Nepi. Warning for penalty. Abu Dhabi, warning. Third personal foul on Nepi. Warning for penalty. Warning.
19.
Warning for penalty, Tarek. Labas bola, labas. Labas, warning. Jabong, warning.
Warning tayo ha. Bench ni Korom tayo ha.
Warning on bets. On Abu Dhabi.
Nice. Oh, reklamo pagin. Oo. Reklamo pagin oh. Number 5, kunin mo yung bola.
10 to shoot, 10.
Pasa! Nice!
10 seconds. Whoa! 74. Time out, Abu Dhabi.
Siksikas lang, sis. Wala na, wala na. Honest D.
8 seconds.
Ay, wow. Mantaman.
Best player.
And we're game our winner, Al A. 77.